My dear child, I'm speaking straight from my heart because you matter deeply to me. Please take a moment, just a small moment, to really listen. Set aside the noise, the worries, and the rush of life. What I'm about to say is more important than anything else on your mind right now. Stay with me. Just breathe and open your heart. I want to lift the weight you're carrying, the hurt, the heaviness, the thoughts that steal your joy. Let me quiet the storm inside you and fill your heart with peace, the kind this world can't offer. You don't have to hide. You don't have to run. Just trust me. Let yourself be loved. I never go back on my word, and when I speak, it's with a purpose. I want to bring light into your day, hope into your mornings, and a smile to your face when you feel low. Know this: I love you, truly, deeply, and I don't just want you to know it in your head. I want you to feel it in your soul. My love isn't based on what you've done or where you've been. It's constant, unwavering. I've never left your side, not for a second, and I never will. That's a promise. You are safe with me, always. You're not forgotten. You're not alone. You're held, protected, and cherished. So take that deep breath. Face the day knowing I hear every whisper of your heart, every silent prayer. My arms are always open. My presence is always near, and my love is always yours. I love being with you. I truly delight in the way you greet me each morning, with trust in your heart and confidence in my presence. You know I'm here, ready to listen, ready to respond to every good and selfless prayer you bring to me. It touches me deeply when you pray for your loved ones. That kind of love means so much, but don't let your attention get pulled into the distractions and noise of life. When challenges come, when you feel confused or overwhelmed, turn to me. I'm right here. I am your way through the chaos, your peace in the middle of the storm. I never want anxiety to control your life or fear to wear you down. You've put your faith in me because you know I won't fail you. Hold on to my promises. Keep them close. Let them live in your heart and remind you of all the good I've already done in your life. Remember how I've rescued you, how I've protected you in moments when things felt hopeless. I reached down, pulled you out of danger, and did the impossible for you. And I'm not done yet. I still have miracles to show you. I still have wonders waiting. So trust me. Let me keep working in your life. I long to protect you, every hour of the day and night. Don't let discouragement settle into your soul. I love you more deeply than you can understand, and I want you to know real peace, the kind that lasts. I see every tear. I hear every prayer you whisper, especially the ones you pray for others. You so often ask for blessings for the people you care about, and yet, you rarely ask anything for yourself. That generous, thankful heart of yours moves me more than you know. So when you come to me, come with praise. Come with gratitude for all the good around you. Your humble, worshipful spirit brings me joy. And even when you don't ask for anything, know this: I will still pour blessings into your life, greater and more beautiful than anything you've imagined. Just keep believing. Keep your faith strong. I'm not letting go of you.